Hello everyone. We're going to be giving a webinar series on a very interesting group of remedies, the Imponderables. And my impression is that most homeopaths don't have a clear picture in their mind of the group themes, group sensations, common language that is so helpful, isn't it, in practice, to help to put us on the map and say, this is that kind of remedy. Certainly for many years I did not have any kind of grasp on the Imponderables as a group. They just seemed as rather strange collection of remedies. Well, I've been very lucky in the last year or two to see a large number of imponderable cases. It's amazing, isn't it, how that happens in practice. And there is indeed a very clear group picture and lots of common expressions, common experiences, and that is what I'll be sharing in these webinars, as well as looking at lots of video cases and getting a grasp of the individual characteristics of different remedies. But the general theme in these cases, when we think about them, of course they're talking, a lot of them source language, and if you think about the substances themselves, they're forces, aren't they? They're powers, they're energies. So things like moonlight, sunlight, laser beam, fire, black hole, magnetism, electricity. These are powerful substances, if we can call them a substance, but also in some sense limited.